Hey guys, Bill here at DetailKing.com. Today we're going to review the Mytee HP100 hot water carpet extractor. This unit features a powerful 3-stage vacuum motor with an output of 130 inches of water lift, a 1200 watt inline heating system that's capable of heating the water to 210 degrees, as well as a 120 psi pump. At the top of the machine you'll find your access to the 10-gallon recovery tank, outfitted with a secured locking lid. Moving down, you will find the control panel outfitted with 3 waterproof individual switches, one powering the heater, one powering the pump, and one powering the vacuum motor. Here you'll find access to the 10-gallon solution tank. The machine is also outfitted with a 15-foot vacuum hose attached with a Mytee cufflink fitting, as well as a 15-foot solution hose with a convenient quick disconnect adapter. On the side of the machine you can see your hose hanger for storing your 15-foot solution and vacuum hose. Also standard with the HP100 extractor is the 4-inch stainless steel upholstery tool. On the back side of the machine you will find your dump valve for emptying the 10-gallon recovery tank. You'll also find your vacuum blower port for the optional hose and blower kit. With an overall weight of 85 pounds, the Mytee HP100 can easily be maneuvered with the assistance of 2 6-inch wheels in the rear, 2 locking 4-inch casters in the front. This is the ideal choice for a high volume fixed location. For more details, please give us a call or visit us at DetailKing.com.